Hey guys, before we begin, I would really like to say thank you for all the support that you guys have given me. It's really awesome. Love you. But first things first, I have some really, okay, maybe not so important, but kind of important, kind of weird, kind of awesome, kind of I don't know what I'm doing anymore news. Before I begin, you have to hit that subscribe button, join the NSNS squad. If you weren't here before, the SSNN squad means notification sister something, I don't remember. Sister squad, notification squad, there it is. Yeah, cause sometimes I actually forget what my things are, and I'm sorry, but I'm not normal, as you can tell. And my voice still sounds constipated, so yay me, I guess. Actually right now all I have in my hand is actually ice cream because I was just eating some, and I was doing some Googling or whatever it is, based on some recent activities going on. So if you didn't know, there is something called a hurricane coming up. It's in South Carolina right now. Or North Carolina, one of the Carolinas, because my mom just told me about it and I wasn't really listening to her because I was busy thinking of ideas for the next topic I'm going to talk about. As you can tell, I'm underprepared and I really don't know what I'm doing anymore, and I do not know why. I have not told why I really don't pay attention to the news anymore, probably because I don't give a crap about it. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Help me. Help me. Just send help now. Like, just kapow. Just goodbye. Goodbye, world. I'm done. Oh, speaking of which, I finished up my math homework and I was taking pictures of weird things. Not disturbing things. Not books, although maybe I might. Not Comic Cons. Not roses that are apparently gray. Not food. But I was taking pictures of my cat because I love cats. Oh, and I was also cutting some stuff, so that's why I have the scissors. Ooh, can I actually change the color? Oh my god, I can change the color. Yeah, I'm still figuring this thing out, so bear with me. Oh, you even have an alcohol thing. Wow, kids, don't drink. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I was doing. Holy okay, I'm not a psychopath. Okay, maybe I am, but what the heck is going on here? I actually do not. Okay, I'm just gonna sip the tea. So I'm just gonna be Googling some stuff, so I'm just gonna Google it because I really don't know yet. There it is. Hurricane in North Carolina. The Weather Channel is more dependent, I guess. Well, good thing I don't live in North Carolina or any of the Carolinas. Oh my god, it's a category. Oh damn, Florence. Boy. Florence, why would you do this? I always knew I had some kind of hate against Florence. Just kidding, of course, but hurricanes are... Why am I doing peace signs? What's going on? Hurricanes are not good, or at least especially if you live around there, because if you're in a hurricane, like, that's just not good. Like, bring your pets, bring the food, especially the food, and just get the hell out of there. Like, forget the phone. You don't need the phone. Grab the most important stuff. The phone is not important. Okay, I love my phone, so it'd be hard to part with it, but, well, if you were about to die, then I would really like to live, so I would leave the phone behind. So that is pretty much what's going on in the world. I don't know why I'm still having hands. Ooh, what the heck? Because I'm gonna try to find a plushie I like. There we go. Yes, perfect. Love that. What the heck? I don't play games anymore. No, stop. No, okay, I have another gaming channel, which I have yet to tell you guys, so let's go over there. This is my other channel. It's just for games. The heck? And like, I mainly have games that no one's ever heard of. Oh, and don't even question the zombie or this. Oh, and you guys want to see the cat? My baby? This is my little baby. That is my little baby. Isn't she adorable? If you don't like cats, then I just don't like you either. Like, I really like cats. I really like cats, as you guys can tell. Because I'm a freaking crazy cat lady. Even though, well, I don't even know anymore. So, I'm going to stop holding the cake. Ugh, this gaming, I don't like you. Just burn in hell, like, oh no, Nathaniel is not going to be featured on this channel. Or at least for today. Although, I wasn't, what the heck? No, I need my regular eyes. Okay, there it is. I was thinking about adding another person, Gidget156, because her and I, we were just texting a bit. She wanted to be, I'm going to quote this exactly, maybe we should do a podcast together. Okay, maybe I don't quote it correctly, but something like that. So, Gidget, when you're watching this, or if you do, I don't care if you do or don't at this point, because I only have like 2 subscribers, which is fine, but I do not know if I should, because, well, if you wanted to be featured on this channel, you would have to send me a recording of yourself, or if we go to the same school, but I'm not going to tell you my school. So, I mean, unless if I made a big announcement about it during lunch, but I don't want to go that far because people at school hate me and I hate them back, except for a couple people, because a couple people are actually nice. Okay, I'm stuttering, I don't know what I'm doing, so I hope you guys appreciated that I took time out of my freaking life yesterday to upload not once, not twice, but 4 times I uploaded yesterday. Don't always expect that, because the only reason why I did it was because I felt good, I felt happy, and I also felt weebish. Ooh, I actually really like these glasses. I actually don't wear glasses in real life, so I mean, like, you won't, and I don't have this color hair, even though I wish I did. Actually, I'm gonna show you what color hair I have. This is what I actually look like in real life, X-nated glasses. I hate my hair color, so I really prefer the other hair color because I just really like that auburn color, because I really like auburn. I actually want to keep that. I actually really like that. No, I don't want to keep it. I just really love this color because, well, I wish my mom had, I wish like I had this color hair instead of the ugly color I have now. I don't like my hair color. In fact, I don't even like my voice. The only reason why I'm having the voice is because I'm just too lazy to edit everything. I'm gonna keep the eyes. I like the eyes. I'm gonna update my profile pic. I mean, like, when you flip the screen, it looks pink. I don't know why I flipped the screen. I don't know why I do anything. I mean, like, okay, I honestly just gave up, and I still need to come up with a Halloween costume idea. I could be a psychopath. I could be a lightsaber god. No, don't smoke, children. Or I could just be a candy woman who was really obsessed with candy. Like, I love candy myself, so. Or I could be badass Germany. Oh, do you guys want to see the stuff I did? I mean, like, I have to update the photos, and like this, they have 2 different colors, and I don't understand why, but yeah, this nickname, full name is Winter Freezing, and then, well, that's Nathaniel, of course. I'm going to add Gidget156 to this eventually. So if you watch Hetalia, I already uploaded 2 videos of it. Holy shit, Holy Rome looks awesome, and no, this is no longer family friendly. I gave up. So I did the best reenactments I could. Denmark, of course, he's the best character. Russia, he's a psychopath. Spain, that's one of the tomato lovers. Germany, that's the closest hair I could find. Holy Roman Empire, also known as Holy Rome, HRE, and my best friend. And there's Prussia. He apparently likes beer. I don't know why. And then this is Romano, my bestie, and then Britain, well, I couldn't find the eyebrows, but, well, I tried. And then I attempted to do Lucy Ophelia and Juvia from Fairy Tail. I will be uploading Fairy Tail crap later, all of which is going to be dubbed. No, I'm just kidding, it's probably going to be subbed. I'm sorry. Probably have to find something that is subbed. I mean, dubbed, my god, I can't even say anything right anymore. Why is this 9 minutes and 22 seconds? For me, it feels like 1 minute of chatting, very, very long. I don't get it. Ooh. Let me see if I can find something that I like. Yay! Shape fill. No fill. Shape outline. Yay! I love Hetalia, because I'm a freaking Italian weeb. Hetalia for life, guys. Too bad it ended already. And again, with the 2 colored eyes, and I don't get it. Kapow, smash that like button in the face, give this thing a thumbs up or whatever it is, whatever you want to call it. Hit that notification squad thing to become part of the SSNS, Sister Squad Notification Squad. I really had to make this shorter, and that was something I can actually remember. Is my cat even with me? No, she's probably downstairs. Okay, so anyway, this is getting to be very longer than I wanted it to be, so, I mean, like, ciao, adios, I guess. Unless if I did something weird. I'm going to do something really weird that I really hope you guys don't hate me for. Oh, and by the way, I don't own this thing. I'm sorry. This belongs to... God, this is so funny. Okay, so that's that. I don't own the video, by the way. Or at least this Gilbert Bishmael Schmidt. He's awesome. I love him. I love you. Okay, I don't give a crap about you. Come on, guys. Subscribe to him. I love this beer reenactment, so I don't own that, of course. What the heck? No, yeah, I was watching Hetalia, because why not? This is where I get it from, this Anime Planet World Series thingy. It's a really good website. I recommend you check it out. Oh, also, I know some of you guys asked me when some of you guys came to my house today, with my actual house, because I had 3 people over. Oh, by the way, the anime thing I make to make this character thing, I don't know if I already showed it to you, but I won't tell you that. It's just one of the things I cannot tell you. It's kind of like my address, because you apparently know my name. Not my nickname, my actual name. Holy crap, I'm not Romano. No, I mean, like, I want to be, but I'm not Romano. No. Where's there? Okay, there we go. I might update this for Christmas. Let me update it quickly. Or Halloween, so that way you guys can see it. It's gonna look like shit, though. So this is probably what I do for the Halloween, but I just can't pull this off in real life. Oh man, how I wish I could, but I have low self-esteem, so I will never be able to go out in public like this. Why are my eyes weird? Yeah, there we go. I would just never be able to pull this look off, especially the cute little fang here. I just really wish I could pull it off, but I just can't. Oh, it's a shame because this look is adorable. You know, like, it's that one sad thing that you wish you could pull off, but you know in your heart, you just can't. You know, like, have you ever had those moments where you really wish you could do something, but then your self-esteem says, hell to the no, you can't pull it off. Well, that's how I feel right now. So hit that like button and subscribe, or else. Okay? Goodbye. I don't know why I made this video so freaking long. Bye.